This is the bag that holds everything I'm traveling with for the next 6 months. The reason it's the ultimate travel bag is because the ultimate travel bag actually fits inside it. And I'll tell you something about this bag. The reason that this is the ultimate travel bag is because the real ultimate travel bag also fits inside it. So here we have it, the Almond Oak travel bag. This bag is small and it is light. It is so light, in fact, that it is less than half the weight of my previous travel bag. This bag weighs 1.6 pounds or 740 grams. Very quickly, here's a list of specs for all of you bag nerds out there. So let's get straight into packing. First question, what am I bringing? Okay, so come with me over here to my computer. I am going to show you a little overview real quick. This site is linked below in the description. So very quickly, I have all the clothes that I'm packing, the clothes I'll be wearing, wearable things, all the electronics and cords and adapters and all of that fun stuff, liquids, pills, other toiletry stuff, some optional items and random miscellaneous, the bag, a little shoulder bag, what I bring in my wallet. Now that you know what's getting put into this bag, let's get it all out. Everything's now laid out on the floor. Let's take a look and then put it straight into the bag. So over here, we got face sunscreen, deodorant, body wash, shampoo, toothpaste, laundry detergent, it's everything. Dr. Bronner's 18-1, lip balm, eye drops, Neosporin, more toothpaste, dental floss, tweezers, clippers, thermometer, Imodium pills, which is for basically diarrhea, Pepto-Bismol for messed up stomach, antihistamine for a rash. I then have hydrocortisone, Tylenol, and Advil. Toothbrush, duh. I have travel utensils, Kindle. These are the only pair of shoes that I will be bringing. These are Vivo Barefoot. I then have eye cover, loop earplugs, which are reusable earplugs for clubbing, for travel, for sleeping, for everything. A water bottle, very generic. 2 pens, pair of sunglasses, GoPro, batteries. I'll charge the batteries in the GoPro and then it's just USB-C, so that's easy. Here is a portable charger. This is 87 watts, which means it can charge my computer. It also has fast charging and USB-C and USB. 16-inch MacBook Pro. There's a stand for it, which weighs like nothing. This is a MX Master 3S mouse. Battery lasts for like a month. I have the regular MacBook charging block, which I will get so much hate for, but I don't give a shit. Australia adapter. This is a quad lock. It connects my phone to a motorbike. Regular 35 watt USB-C. This is for charging my Apple Watch. This is a 1 terabyte hard drive and adapter for that. This is USB-C to SD card and micro SD card. USB to USB-C. This is both USB-C, Lightning to USB-C, wireless to USB-C, MacBook charger, charging stuff for my microphone, which I'm using right now, wired earbuds, 2 pairs of AirPods. I'll get hate for that too, but that's fine. This is my international driving permit, passport, wallet with the stuff listed in the packing. And then over here, I have 7 pairs of socks and underwear. Might get hate for that, but this is the stuff that runs out the quickest. Nice pair of shorts and nice shirt. Then 2 other pairs of shorts, which are for swimming or gym or whatever. A down jacket, that's my only jacket. Pair of pants, pair of rain pants, rain jacket, like rain cover that fits on the bag. I have 4 shirts here plus the one I'm wearing. This one and this one are merino wool. The one I'm wearing is merino wool. This is like a rash guard, and then this one is a long sleeve quick dry shirt. I have a small travel towel, and then a bucket hat as well as the hat I'm wearing. And then over here, there is a 8-liter Patagonia bag, more of a hike or day bag kind of thing. A tote bag, which could also be a laundry bag. This is for packing my down jacket in, for the toiletries, for all the clothes. That's everything, let's pack it up. So we're gonna start with all of the clothes. Pack that first, see how it goes, and then we'll move on to all of the technology and random bits. But first thing is I'm gonna put aside the clothes that I will wear on planes. So the hat I'm wearing, the shirt I'm wearing, and then these pants as well as the down jacket. All right, so to start packing this bag, I'm gonna open up the main compartment. This bag is 25 liters and can expand up to 30 liters with this additional 2 inches of height on the bag. I'm gonna do that right now because I probably will be needing that. And then there's an additional divider right here, which I can fit more into, and this is stretchy, so I should be able to fit a pretty good amount. Okay, so I just put pants, shorts, and towel and rain jacket in here. All right, so I'm gonna put that down at the bottom and see there's still plenty of room to put stuff above it. I am then going to have my shirts up here at the top. Underwear and socks, I'm gonna put them over here. So let's do that. All right, so the underwear and socks fit in there, no problem. There's still plenty of room for even more if I wanted. I can either put this at the top or the bottom, kind of depends what I feel like, but just so you can see it in there, I will put it at the top, and then this doesn't really matter so much. Since I'm gonna be wearing my down jacket, I'm just gonna keep this in here for now. Okay, so liquid toiletries, I'm just putting all in a bag so that it's easy to take out at TSA. This is everything else that I'm gonna be bringing on this trip. I'm gonna close this up and put a few things in this front pocket. Kindle, it's literally a perfect pocket for my Kindle. 2 slots for pens, so might as well fill them. Down at the bottom, I have a little pocket which I think I'm gonna put AirPods in. Passport, there is a nice little side pocket right here for a passport. And then I'm also going to put my hard drive in there. All right, and then in the laptop compartment, I'm gonna be putting my cords in this pocket. So I have my main MacBook cord, my wireless charger, Lightning and USB-C chargers, the stand for the MacBook, and then the MacBook itself, nice and snug. Portable charger in the water bottle holder, international driver's license with my Kindle, the wireless earbuds, back to the main zipper compartment, some more space in here. Here we go. The bag is packed. My life on my back in about 20 pounds. So the thing is, when you're doing one bag travel, you don't actually have to have 7 kilograms of stuff. You just have to make it appear as though you do. If I take out a few things and put those things in my pocket, what I'm gonna do is make this bag go from weighing a little too much to just enough. This is the final weight of the bag, 15.4 pounds, which I believe is 7 kilograms. That feels pretty nice. Truth being told, I did have to sacrifice a few things in order to make this work. This is also supposed to go in my bag, not to mention my jacket and pants weight. If I'm wearing these pants, this goes in one pocket, this goes in another pocket, this goes in that pocket, this goes in my jacket pocket, and then this is in my hand. The thing that you need to remember about this whole 7 kilogram weight limit is that you just need to present as though you only have 7 kilograms. It doesn't mean that on your person you can't have extra stuff. It's just when they pick up this bag, when they weigh it, it has to say 7 kilograms. Beyond that, it doesn't matter if you have more than 7 kilograms, and really, if you have a computer in this bag, which I do have, a 4-pound computer, you're not gonna be able to just have 15 pounds of stuff. You know, it all fits in the bag, yes. In order to actually meet that requirement for flying on an airline, you're gonna have to get creative. So this bag was actually sent to me by Dylan, the founder of Almond Oak, and he told me that the vision of this company is to develop the perfect one-bag travel gear, the perfect jacket, the perfect shoes, and I think it's really cool that a one-bag travel enthusiast like Dylan wanted to start a company like this for travelers. If you have any questions about this bag, about packing, or anything else really, just leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer. And the links to the Kickstarter and to my packing list and everything else will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. This is the bag that holds everything I'm traveling with for the next 6 months. And next week, to 6 months.